Here is a great recipe for a casserole-type side that goes along with large gathering meals at Thanksgiving, Christmas, or Easter, for example. First, get a butternut squash, peel it, remove seeds and loose pulp, and cube the clean meaty parts. Then cook to soften it up. A microwave works well, but does take about 20 minutes. Stir every 5 minutes or so. Or you can buy the frozen cubed squash package and work with that. Gather the other ingredients: an egg, cream cheese. Whipped style is a little easier to work with. 1 cup or so of breadcrumbs, butter, spices, brown sugar, salt. Use about 1/2 cup sugar with a 1/4 teaspoon salt. Add some spice. Some recipes call for ginger. Here we use nutmeg. Rosemary has been suggested goes well with squash. Maybe cinnamon even? Once the squash is fork tender, give them a good mashing. Add the other ingredients to the bowl and give them all a good beating. Pour into the baking dish and make a topping with more breadcrumbs and melted butter. Sprinkle on top. Cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 minutes until the top is browned. Serve and enjoy. On the off chance there is leftover, it warms up nicely in the microwave again.